Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft and yet in another unboxing video of the SanDisk Ultra Fit, the USB 3.1 pendrive, which I have it over here, and it is very tiny and very compact. This is the back of it, and let's just go and unbox it. I'll be putting the link in the description just to buy this particular pendrive, which I got it from Amazon for about like 500-600 in this particular price bracket. You all can check out from Amazon and Flipkart, and the first experience which I have it of this particular pen drive is it is very tiny and very compact. It is almost the size of my thumbnail, and this is how it looks. Let me just get closer to it, and this is how it is. And if you like this kind of videos guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. And let me just show you one issue with this particular pen drive which I instantly recognized when I was holding this. And this is very extremely soft guys, and if you can see, it is very flexible. The cap of this particular pen drive, it is just pressing against the body, I would say. And I wouldn't say this is the most durable pen drive, and I really doubt whether this is going to last me for a long. So I actually got this particular pen drive to use in something like media players or in your car, etc., where once you plug it in and just forget about it and just don't remember, and this is sort of an invisible kind of thing. And this is good if you are just using with the television and all, and you're just playing some music and some common videos. And this is not recommended for kind of a daily use where you need to copy the files between to and fro between computers and maybe something like a phone and PC, etc. So won't recommend for this. So if you just want to get this particular pen drive for your car, etc., this is the best pen drive you can get. And let me just plug it in and check out. So we are going to do a sort of a speed test for this, and the only thing what is bothering me right now is this particular flexibility issues. So it is just flexing a lot guys, and they are just claiming the speed of 130 Mbps. So let us just check whether the claim is correct. So I'm using this OTG connector to convert it into type C, and I'll be using this with my Thunderbolt PC, and we'll be testing the speed whether it is really good or not. So I'm using a Crystal Disk Mark portable for over here for testing, and I've just loaded it, and let us just wait for the result whether they are claiming it or the proper 130 Mbps or not. Even I'm okay if this particular pen drive perform at least to read speed of 120 Mbps, which is kind of fine. But if it is not, then guys, there is serious issue with this. And I personally have recommended the Lux Ultra dual pen drive because it is having the type C and also the normal USB A. So if those kind of pen drives you want to check it out, please check out in the link in the description. I have provided a playlist of all the pen drives which we have reviewed on this particular channel. And let me know in the comments below which pen drive do you all use, and if you all have any other suggestion that we have to review a pen drive, etc., then please do let us know in the comments below. And for the next video we might be reviewing the pen drive which you all like. And as you can see guys, the read speed is sort of bad, I would say, for a USB 3.1 pen drive, and it is just 34 Mbps. And this is again the read speed. We'll check out, we'll wait for the write speed whether it is better or not. So usually I'm checking for the bigger files because most of you all who are using this particular pen drive might be actually interested in using with a bigger file, like for example the videos, etc. And in that case scenario, I think the read speed of the bigger files is important. And if you see the write speed guys, it is just like sort of 23 Mbps, which in my case it is just performing like any other pen drive. And especially I've connected this to the Thunderbolt, so I just wanted that extra mile when it comes to testing, etc. And I have also tested many pen drives. In fact, the dual Lux Ultra is the fastest which I have tested. I don't know, there might be some other pen drive which is faster. If you all know, then please let me know in the comments below. And with this I feel like the write speed is around 23 Mbps, which again in my particular case I don't think so it is that fast guys. And again, this is strictly my opinion. In fact, I would suggest to go for a dual pen drive, like which comes with a type C, if you want to use it with on a daily basis with your smartphone and the PC. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think about this particular topic. Also subscribe to my channel, and also do check out these cool videos which we have on our channel. And again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.